SM City Cebu because we're gonna taste Dairy Queen. So Dairy Queen is back in Cebu and we'll be one of the first few to taste it here. So come on guys, let's go! So Neil, what can I get?
Mango cookie and double coconut.
Okay, what do you recommend?
Mango cookie sir.
Sige.
Cookie flyer na lang si ma'am.
Ikaw nagsabi na na.
Sir, may I know your name?
Carlo. Cebuanos to try out here. So come on, how about Cebu? So I'm having the mango cookie. How do you like your mango cookie? Yeah, how do you like yours? Mas namin pa sa imong ex? Mas namin upong na pa siya ang ex ko, no? Ang DQ ka. Mas upong na pa siya ang kapaskuhan. So by the way guys, if you wanna check out DQ, line up tomorrow, November 6th. First 100 for each branch here at Cybergate. We'll get a free blizzard.